Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Today, we have to eat. Today we have chocolate. Right? I'm going to eat today. I'm going to make some snacks, right? Whatever. We're going to make some snacks now. And that's idea from Chocolate Hill. You guys want to choose things. She's on the channel. She's on the channel. And I'm going to put my name. Over. She was the video of snacks and she's like, well, so me and she's like, see this actually channel was really good. So you have to eat here. And I'll show you the first thing she has is macaroni and cheese. Super good. So this is the perfect. And it's macaroni and cheese and chicken nuts and she does this. So we can tell you that one. I'm working with cheese and she has the so this is like macaroni and cheese and cheese. But this is okay, so I'm backwards. And we'll do all the kinds of things. So now, she adds more cheese. And then when the say, oh my life. Then cheese. Oh my gosh, she's awesome. Okay, we're back. Okay, guys, so next time we're going to be popcorn. Now, this is my nice. And I thought these are just one here. We're going to do all these instructions. You must. I'm not sure what to do. Alright, the popcorn is finished. Okay, so what you guys popcorn picture that everyone cheese popcorn. So next here, the whole menu. And I have cheese. And I kind of chocolate. I know the orange is like this. So what you guys is chocolate. She goes like this. Okay, and it goes more hot. Right. And then what's more hot? And then shake it up. And you see. And wait, and I think nothing is also okay? Now, the portion you have to you better say. We're on top. You better done. I can't wait to start here. So I have so I'm going to make so I'm going to oh my goodness. Now, what do you think is just this. Some real that's that. This is And just asking both numbers about the whole taxi for you know, you asking for something, it's not going to be your it's easy. And so you just have to be so fight it in the one and that's type right now. That's going to be okay. I just okay. All right, so you go over and have a nice week. Okay, let's go to
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
That's amazing. That's pretty amazing. This is amazing. You need to see people think that this is what it is. I'm
Bye.